Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to focus on the upper back stretches using an exercise from Qigong Muscle Tendon Change Sequence. To practice a full routine, join my membership site with unlimited access to all the courses, weekly live classes, and community benefits. Let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position. Slowly raise your hands to shoulder height and extend forward, visualizing your fingers reaching far into the distance. Bring your palms together and come to a prayer position. Firmly press the base of your palms to open the shoulder blades. Release. Move your hands in so your fingers are pointing at your neck. Release and turn your hands out, extending forward and out to the side. Slowly bend your wrists and move to the back for a deeper stretch. Stay here to feel the stretch and all the muscles and tendons in your arms and chest. Release the position, allow everything to relax. Then bring your hands back to center and move it to the chest. Turn your palms up as if you're lifting a big stone above your head. Come up on your toes and reach upwards. Release slowly and relax your whole body. We're going to repeat this movement 5 times. Remember to keep your breath slow and full. The key here is to find that balance between effort and relaxation. When you stretch, give your best effort, then after, allow your whole body to soften, promoting better circulation and energy flow. If you feel achy or pain at any point, lessen your effort and only go 70% of what you can do. In Qigong, the joints of the body are often referred to as gates. It is often at the joints the energy gets stagnant or blocked. Arm movements help to open the joints, stretch muscles and tendons around the wrists, elbows, and shoulders, hence promoting better circulation to them. It also helps to unblock and regulate the flow of energy around the chest, strengthen the heart, and bring the energy to the lungs. Upward stretches help to open the neck and shoulders, allow the blood and energy to travel freely to the head so we feel alert and can think clearly. The movements are slow and require your full attention. Through concentration on a particular body part, in our case it's arms, shoulders, and neck, we guide the energy to the area and can feel the benefits quicker. If your mind begins to wander, bring it back to focus on the sensations in the body. Take a moment to feel the difference between effort and relaxation. One more time. Release the position, allowing your whole body to soften. By this point, the sensations in the body are very strong. You can actually feel the energy circulating throughout your entire body, especially in your neck, shoulders, and chest. Bring your feet together and take a moment to notice how you feel one more time. Finish your practice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this routine. If you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I upload the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.